There you see, 125. PA Tail of the Dragon. Let's go.
Roll that intro.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.
Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back, Anonymous Biker USA. Just filled up the Scout with some 93. And stopped at this Turkey Hill. And we are in the middle of Nowheresville, Pennsylvania. And I came up here because people said there is a destination road here, and it's the Pennsylvania Tail of the Dragon. So I came to find out if it is indeed the Pennsylvania Tail of the Dragon. So let's go find it. Town is called Shamokin or Shamokin. SCH Mokin. Highway 125. Where am I in the state of Pennsylvania? It said about 60 miles north of Harrisburg, which is the capital. Alrighty, guys, little GoPro adjustment. First time here at the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let's get this channel to grow. So, as I was saying, we're in this small town of Nowheresville. And we're looking for the Tail of the Dragon, Pennsylvania style. And it's listed as that on tons of motorcycle ride websites if you're in this area. And I took a big detour to get up this way, but doesn't look like too much is going on in this town. Ah! There it is. South 125. So this must be the very, very, very beginning of it. Independence Fire Association. Alright, some curves, let's see. Hey, big sweeper, hey. 125, keep left. Too. Wow. Another one. You're pretty much between second, third, and fourth gear on this road. Speed limit's 35. Hard banking right. Woo! This is climbing up too. Woo! got some air on that one. That was funny. Basically, we just came down a whole mountain like that. Yeah, look at this nice bank turn here. Bank turn right into an open gate bridge. Who doesn't love that? Look at this one here. Slow him down, turn. Look at this. Oh, yes, indeed. It's a long road. Well worth it. Alright, still going. Oh, look at this. Serious hill climb. Wow. Bring it way down on this. Alright, a little bit of potholes there. The lower section, South 125. Whoa, look at that view. Look at that. I'd have to head back there. Woo! Look at these. Enjoyed it as much as I did. If you're in that area, Shamokin, PA, you can get the top of North 125, ride it all the way down to the village of Good Spring. You can hear the road here, potholes. But Pennsylvania Tail of the Dragon, thumbs up.
I am Anonymous Biker USA.